Hi, this is Gabilito and you know what it is today. What in the ass? Ano meron? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Belmonts na. Ang bilis! Today, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba kundi si DC Spin Masters First Edition Solomon Grundy. Wait. Sino nga ba tong si Solomon Grundy?
Solomon Grundy is a supervillain and occasionally anti-hero appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics. He was originally depicted as a murder victim brought back to life as a zombie. Two subsequent versions of the character have occasionally depicted a different origin. Sino nga ba mga nakalaban na ni Solomon Grundy? Well, yung mga hindi naman bigatin, si Superman, Batman, the entire Justice League, Justice Society of America, Green Lantern, pati Suicide Squad. Aba, grabe ka.
Oh my god, Batman, kalaban pala ni Batman to, no? Anyways, new packaging. Ganun pa rin, may mga compartment, 1, 2, 3. And then, surprise accessories, figure itself. And then, let's take a look at the box. Sa likod, makasama sa line. Siyempre, sila Batman lang din. Ito yung favorite kong Batman sa line natin. And then, the Batgirl, Wonder Batgirl. Siyempre, yung Robin. Ito yung mga compartment. Hindi na siya sa harap. Wala sa harap. Nasa likod na. You just pop it in. Saan yan? And makukuha mo na yung accessories. That's it for the box. Likod at harap. Patupik-tupik pa. Let's cast him loose. And here he is out of the packaging. And my god, he is a chunky, big ass zombie. The Frankenstein monster of DC Universe. Anyways, let's take a look at details. Kanyang pants. You know. Ganda doon na may mga tela sheet sa kanyang tee, torn off sleeves, polo, vest ng pants. Looks like Incredible Hulk. Sa kanyang face sculpt. Okay naman yung paint job. Yellow teeth with white hair, black and white sa eyes, and that's it. Liit ng ulo niya compare sa katawan niya. Angas. Lalo yung mga tahi niya dito. Okay, sana kung may knee articulation, pero at least may thigh cut. Anyways, that's it for the details. Articulation. Let's go. So first up, sa ulo. Tignan natin ang kanyang ulo na napakaliit. Medyo stiff. Saan talaga? Ayun. Left and right lang ang kaya. Kung naiikot man, medyo dapat maingat. And shoulders up, moves around, single jointed elbow. Yan din sa kabila. Waist, wala. Beautiful spread and thigh cut. Wala knees dahil yan, sculpted. Okay naman. Kumbaga pagtatakbo siya, ganyan yung tsura niya. Parang pinulikat. Accessories. Let's go. Sa kanyang accessories, dito natin makikita sa box. So, let's tear them, no? Ako po. Pasok po ako, Siyempre, ingat lang din. Uy. Yan. Yun, no? And here we are with the accessories. Otherwise, sa kanyang first, ito ang kanyang chain. Ball chain. May concrete taas chain. Another one. Kabilang kamay. Uy. Panghampas. Poste. Ay, hindi pala. Piece of concrete with some bakal. Okay din. Tignan natin kung ano itsura niya with accessories. And there you go. Yung itsura niya pag suot niya na or nasa kanya na yung accessories. Para siya nakawala sa kanyang pagkakakadena. And then may pinikap siyang panghampas sa'yo. Panghampas sa'yo. Ganon. Size comparison. Let's go. From my previous figure review, si Matt ng Petronics, Incredible Hulk, Colonel Miles Quaritch, Spin Masters Batman, Chaos Agent, and from Robot War, Sentry. Overall, this figure is amazing. Saan makakabili ka mo? Wala na to sa mga toy store dito sa siguro madalang, pero talagang hanapin mo. Sa online, maybe. That's it for Solomon Grundy. That's it for this one, and thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you think about the figure or sa kanyang character sa DC Multiverse or sa comics. I'll see y'all in the next round. What the hell? There's still giants in the town. Oh my god! Pangampas ko to. Oh my god!